let me wish you all the best in your new role. And as I said to you before, you moving from Air 5 is just for you to get to have a wider scope of what is happening out here so you can go into a higher chair or a higher position. Sir, you will be missed, however we are here, and is one JCF. Sir, whatever you set out to do, never forget to put God first and ask Him to direct your path.
I want to recognize that, Jehovah has been in my life, has been a guiding hand in my life. And even when I was faced with numerous challenges, I continue to believe in Him. I am grateful for the opportunity to have been your servant. And I continue to trust the judgment of the High Command. If it is that as the police, we are now taking control and we are getting a grip on murders and shootings that has been so problematic for us, I would love to call on the other enforcement agencies now to look seriously on doing their part, because I'm observing some complacency and laid-back attitude with enforcement activities. If we're going to restore full public order, it's going to need all the other agencies on board, and we must capitalize on the opportunity. No, so if murders are down, you might be challenged with the minor crimes and those other things because you have not created an environment for public order to take root. When I look at some towns across Area 5, I don't want to call out any specific, but I want to send the message that there's some level of tardiness that needs to be addressed. I will go with the same energy and determination and love for what I do and to bring a difference to where I go. I will have to go there and do my assessment of what exists. Because you might come as a strong leader, but the people might not be there with you in that space. I give thanks for my family that have given me great support. My wife, Nicole, I thank her wholeheartedly for the support. My daughter also for her support. So, all right across Area 5, I'm eternally grateful for your kind and loving support. The support from our stakeholders and partners, I embrace it wholeheartedly.
We're gonna keep them talking after they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming, talking and talking. We're gonna keep them talking after they're talking, yeah.